Hi, hello all. So this is a patient with 64 years old and he is known case of diabetes, hypertension. He is on medications and he is even on aspirin. And today we are planning for the penile implant surgery. So we have stopped this antiplatelet medications 5 days before the surgery. So today we are planning for the Indian malleable implant. So you can see this is the size of his penile and he has a very huge suprapubic tract. So what we are planning to do is we are planning to achieve the best length for him so that he will be able to have a sexual activity with a functional penile length. Hi viewers. So today we would have seen the result of the Indian malleable Shah implant. So we had achieved around 18 centimeter. We have placed a 18 centimeter implant for him in the bilateral corpora. So he will be able to have a functional length of around 5 inches. So this will be more than enough for him. So as you know, he's a 64-year-old man with a lot of complications like diabetes, hypertension, and he was on aspirin, and we had done the surgery very clearly. So there is no bleeding and no chances of any hematoma, and there is no chance of any infection.